Oh, one blow up. Oh, I lost him. Oh, there's one. Another smallie. Good one, actually. Oh, he jumped right in the net. Just another good. Wow. Good one. Another nice one. Hey, Rebecca got one down there.
There's one. Little guy.
Oh, he missed it. Come on. Alright, he hit that thing as soon as it hit the water, man. I don't know if he's still there or not. With these smallies, either they're... Oh, I got him! Okay, he came back for it. He's not real big. Oh, come on. Man, another one in the roof of the mouth. On the front hook, too. You almost killed yourself, buddy. Nice little belly on that fella. Oh, man.
There's one. Another one just swam up. A second one's coming up. I just almost had a double. Oh my goodness. The second one just keeps coming up. Definitely a good spot right here.
Trying to keep the... I lost him, I think. Oh, no, I got him. He's just a little guy. I was trying to keep the line tight because I knew I did not get a good hook set at all. I thought, let me throw in that little bit of a deep pocket way over here and see... Oh, he came off. And I was like, see what happens.
one came up again.